So I'm trying this stick and wash away by Pellin. You don't get many in the pack, 5 sheets only. However, what's nice about it is you can print on it, and before you print it looks like this. So it's this rough stabilizer surface which displays and disintegrates in water, and then on the back side is sort of a wax papery. And then once you separate it, there's a sticky side in between the two, and that's what you do to stick to that. So you can see I've printed the pattern there that I've got to trace on the Sashiko machine. But it makes it a lot easier than using another method of pinning or using 505 or something, but I'm going to try that out now. So easy to print, certainly, easy to stick. Then I just have to finish this. So it's a long weekend here in Toronto, in Canada in general, and I've spent it sewing, well, putting the Sashiko stitching in, and I've decided to have a bit of fun in that I have done a little inset into this front of my jeans here with 2 colors. So you can see there's the gold color as well as the red color, and that just goes part of the way up so that the top is red, and then you can see gradually a bit of an inset of the gold there. Now this will look quite different once I dissolve the solvay stuff, but I wanted to show you what it looks like at this stage. The back is fairly wretched, as you can see. Lots and lots of jumps and stuff which I still have to trim, but the contrast is much more important. Let me just nip over here. So that's the denim itself with the red. You can see it's quite stunning. This is unwashed denim. With my test that I did previously, that's the washed denim, and you can see that's a pocket, so you can see how that's going to look, and then the gold of course will be quite interesting as well. So I'm going to dissolve this and see how it looks, and I'll show you in a moment. So this is wet at the moment, but I thought I'd show you the final results. Not to everyone's taste, but a lot of fun. So you can imagine how that's the front of one of the trouser legs, and the other side will be different. So I think it's going to be quite fun. Very different, but lots of fun.